What's up, Apple enthusiastic? If you are looking to a cheapest iPhone which has Apple intelligent, super level performance as well as attractive design, then this video for you. Because in this video I am gonna show you an iPhone which has everything that you want, and that is iPhone 16e. In this video I will give you an overview of this smartphone. After watching the video you will be able to take a decision this smartphone is value for money or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. At first, if I wanna talk about the design of this smartphone, then the rear panel of this smartphone has a single functional cutout camera setup, as well as the front panel of this smartphone has U-shaped notch camera setup. The back panel of this smartphone made by glass, as well as the frame of this smartphone is aluminium. You can purchase this smartphone by only two colors. First one is black and then second one is white. The thickness of this smartphone is 7.8mm. You will be so much shocked if you can know about the weight of this smartphone. The weight of this smartphone is 167 gram, which is so much incredible in this budget segment. That is why we can say this is the so much tiny smartphone of Apple. If I wanna share my thoughts about the design, then everyone has their own perspective. That is why design can be different on everyone's. I really appreciate the design of this smartphone. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone has 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED panel display, which display has Full HD plus resolution. But we are so much worried about the brightness of this smartphone. The peak brightness of the display is 1200 nits. In this budget segment, we can easily expect 1500 nits peak brightness, because for the lower peak brightness, whenever we will use this smartphone under the sunlight, that time we will face a lot of problem for the brightness. The refresh rate of the display is 60 Hz. In this modern era, we cannot accept this kind of refresh rate. This smartphone should have to support 90 Hz higher refresh rate. Third part of this smartphone, which is camera. The rear panel of this smartphone has a single camera setup, which is 48 megapixel. By the rear camera, you can make a video with 4K and 60 fps resolution. As well as for the stabilization, this camera has OIS. If you look at the front panel, then here we will find 12 megapixel wide sensor. We can also make a video with selfie camera sector by 4K resolution. Most remarkable part of this smartphone, which is performance. This smartphone has iOS 18 as a chipset. iPhone used here Bionic A18, which is so much powerful chipset. We know Apple recently used this chipset in their flagship smartphone. It released from 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. So in this budget segment, if anybody wants to purchase a smartphone which will be the cheapest iPhone, and this Apple should give them super level performance, then these people can purchase this smartphone. Last part of this smartphone, which is battery. This smartphone has 4005 mAh biggest battery. If you like to charge the battery, then this smartphone will support 7.5 watt wireless charging system. The battery of this smartphone is so much powerful, but the charging system of this smartphone is so much weak. That is why a larger amount of Apple users cannot be satisfied about the charging combination. So that was an overview of iPhone 16e. If you have any kind of question, then you can inform me in comment box. See you with a brand new video.